Hey guys, how you doing? And I'm glad to see you again on my channel. Today I will again show you how to make money with binary options, so make sure you watch this video to the end. And as always, if you have any question regarding trading and binary options, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video. And also I'll leave you the link to my private Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure you join the marathon and join my Telegram channel. And also, if you text me today on Telegram, I'll send you the link to sign up for PocketOption, which will give you 50% on your deposit as a bonus. So make sure you check all these links in the description below this video. And without further ado, let us get straight to trading. Now let me change the currency pair and set it to the Euro Canadian dollar. It has a payout of 92%. And today I'll continue working with three indicators: the Duncan channel, Williams R%, and the Arun indicator. And I made a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And the data from the indicators helped me to take this decision. First, the price, when moving up, it could not break through the upper limit of the Duncan indicator. This already indicates a possible reversal of the price. Further, the Williams, its line being in the area from 0 to 20, the so-called overbought zone, sought to move out of it, which is also a signal of a possible decline in price. That's why I made a down trade. And finally, the Arun indicator. Its red line is at a higher level than the blue one, which on one hand indicates the predominance of a downtrend. But since the difference between them is minimal, such a predominance may be short-term. On the chart, we see that the price is declining and the trade is already coming to an end. And our trickles of profit we added to our account, our first profit, $276. As you may already know, in order to make money on the stock exchange in general, a trader must make a prediction. For example, how the price of the dollar or the euro will change, and on the basis of your forecast or prediction, you make a trade. Open either for a higher or a lower price or trade. And you might think that a trader is such a financial predictor of the future, but no. Traders make all their forecasts and prediction in two ways: technical or fundamental analysis, or combine them as needed. But in order to make profit, it's necessary to open trades, and I opened a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And the reason for opening a trade in this direction lies in the data of the Williams indicator, which line, despite some growth in price after correction, occupied a horizontal position and even deviated downwards. I regarded this as a signal of a possible movement of the price downwards. In addition, the price is at a conditional resistance level, which it could not break through for the last 10 minutes, and then a decline occurred. This is the analysis of this trade. With all of that in mind, we can see that most likely the price will move downward in the near future. And the Arun indicator did not give me a clear signal this time. Both of its lines were above the level of 50, thereby showing that any price movement is possible. Let us follow our price. And our trickles of profit added to my account, again $276. And as you notice, the price made a reversal after its decline. And it turns out that both indicators showed the right signal. But since we are trading today on a time frame of 30 seconds, such changes in the direction of movement of price are possible in the future. Back to speaking of traders, they run technical analysis. Basically, they look at the chart and make a prediction. There are a lot of different methods in this technical analysis. For example, analysis based on support and resistance levels, which is the basic one. And with the help of these analysis, I made an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. The decision was made based on the data from both the Williams and the Arun indicators. And so the Williams line is in the overbought zone near the highest point, and it turns out that it can no longer grow higher. It turns out that Williams will not be able to show a signal about a further increase in price, but at the same time, the indicator can show a signal about a possible decline in price, but it's not showing that at the moment. And the Arun indicator helped me this time. Its blue line responsible for the uptrend is at the level of 100, while its red line is below the level of 50. This is a clear signal about price growth. As you can see on the chart, the price went up, as the arrow indicated, and I get $276 profit. That's amazing. Imagine, I did not even have a whole minute while the trade was going on to fully describe all the moments on the basis of which I made the decision to enter this trade. But my brain analyzed all this data in just a few seconds, continuing my story about the ways traders analyze the market situation. Okay, first, fundamental analysis, which is a method of predicting the value of currencies or assets based on the analysis of economic indicators of entire states. In other words, fundamental analysis studies precisely the cause of price movements, and it shows you the real world. I think I've already noticed the difference between technical analysis and fundamental analysis, as technical analysis analyzes the behavior of price for a certain period of time. Now you know that I only do technical analysis because with the help of fundamental analysis, traders make predictions mainly for long-term investment, and I open trades for only 1 minute. Right now, I'll open a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. At this time, the entry into this trade was the result of a technical analysis of the indicators. Since the Williams indicator line began its downward movement, trying to get out of the overbought zone and cross the level of 20, I identified this as a signal about a possible decline in price. Then the blue line of the arrow indicator also deviated below the level of 100, which indicates a slight decline in the uptrend, but since its red line below the level of 30, decline may be short term. So keep that in mind. Another point that I took into account is the price correction downwards from the upper limit of the Dunkin indicator, which also indicates a possible price decline. At this time, you can see the movement of price corresponds to my prediction, and my trade closed a profit. I made $276. Amazing. We go next. One of the most common questions I get asked is how long it takes to start earning steadily. Unfortunately, it's impossible to give a clear answer. A lot depends on the trader himself, the approach and the system that the trader uses when trading. And by the end of the 20th century, well-known professionals trained beginners, and then they earned an average of 80% per year from the initial capital. But now the conditions have changed. Now all the information are available on the internet, which wasn't available back then, available to both professionals and beginners as well. The internet has equalized opportunities for everyone. Now you can go to government and banking websites, study any information along with professional traders and make decisions. But at the same time, you cannot imagine a trader on Monday not knowing anything about the market and being essentially a beginner will spend several hours studying the information and on Tuesday will become a professional trader. It doesn't work that way. If you analyze mistakes, control emotions, then in 4 to 6 months, it is quite possible to reach a stable income. I've been trading for more than 1 year, and at the same time, I continue to improve my knowledge. And now I'll open a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. But this trade is not like my previous trades, as the indicator did not fully confirm it. As the price was growing, the Williams indicator line was also growing, which was a signal about a possible increase in price. And today, this indicator did not let me down, but despite this, I opened a down trade. The price was approaching the upper limit of the Dunkin indicator and began a slight pullback. And if we remember, all the trades we made today was accompanied by resistance from sellers who prevented the growth of price. Then I think that it has not disappeared anyways. It's just that the buyers were able to move its level up a little. And as you can see, I was not mistaken again. The trade is being completed and the price is fallen, and I made $276. And this is the end of our today's trading session. So starting with $300, I was able to make $1,380, which is a nice result. Tell me what you think in the comments. And as you saw today, it is possible to make a steady income on the market and on binary options particularly. But to do this, you need to study a little, and I will help you as well through my videos, sharing with you hours and hours and hours of experience and knowledge, which I was able to gain through trading and studying the nuances of each trade. Therefore, start by watching my videos, study on your own, and then you'll be able to trade on your own as well. And before opening any trade, make sure you analyze the price chart very well. Use indicators to reduce your risks and make profit over the long run. So guys, continue learning, continue trading, and as you saw today, analysis on binary options is not complicated at all. And in case you have any questions, as always, you can ask me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram is in the description below this video. And also leave the link to my private Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure you check that below. And to start trading today, you can text me on Telegram to get the link to sign up for Pocket Option, which will give you 50% bonus on your deposit, which is a good bonus for you if you are a beginner and you want to start out. So make sure you check all these links down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new one. That's been it for today, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.